Have you ever wondered why English has three words that sound exactly the same but are spelled differently?
Yes, those are there, and there, and each has a unique role in sentences, which can be tricky for many people.
There usually refers to a place or position, like saying, the book is over there. It points to a location.
Exactly, and when you see a background of a park or a room, that's perfect for illustrating there as a place.
Then there's the caret, which is a possessive adjective. It shows ownership, like in, their dog is very playful. Lastly, their propergermine is a contraction of they are. For example, they're going to the concert tonight.
There combines two words, so it's important to remember that it's always they are.